Hi everyone, this is Sai Nivet from Team Scoops Ahoy. So today I'll be showing you our product TBO AI Compass, an iterative platform for planning travels. So I'll be showing the prototype that we built for this hackathon. So initially, if you see, this is our landing page in which like variety of features are there, like from destination, the time you need to reach the place. So initially, we'll start from Delhi and our destination to be Goa and fix some dates. And let's say give one adult. So I want a solo trip basically. So this basically spins up our voice agent, which gets the context of whatever the details you have provided, and it's going to iterate to your plan. Now, immediately, as you can notice, it's going to pull up your destination and the source from the context, and it's going to basically plan what's the trip or the place that you can visit. In the right side, you can see it's the voice agent which I'm interacting with, and it's going to basically take up the transcript and going to show there. And in left side, you can see what are the must-try foods which are there in the destination place. And what happens is that immediately you can see that it's going to pull up relevant YouTube videos, and it's going to rank based on the metrics of engagement, and it's going to give you the best plan out there in that video. Apart from that, it also suggests hotel based on TBO API in real time, fetching the relevant places that you can go with. And also on top of that, we also have a route overview in which it's going to basically take up the plan from your iteration, and it's going to build up a plan kind of stuff in map where you can visually see where you should go in each day. It's kind of building an interactive visual for customers who want to see where they want to plan their trip with corresponding dates. And it basically gives you the pin kind of setup where you can see where the exact places for each must try food stuff. And this is the visual for that, you can see. And following that, we also have this suggested hotel, and I can interact with the voice agent right now, and it's going to suggest me the daily places that I need to visit with exact details. Even I can ask it to refine my dates as well. Suppose if I want to select it one date, I can ask it to select another date as well. It's going to effectively help me in plan my travel plan. Now I'll show you one of the most cool and useful feature of our product. So let's say you are researching for your own trip, right? So you'll have some set of websites and videos, right? So we have provided support to our Chrome extension in which you can simply search through across different web pages, and you can actually create a new project for your plan, and you can just add the videos and relevant blog resources just a single click. With a single click, it adds all your context related to videos, blogs to your project. Now, after adding these videos and blogs, you simply head on to our product, and below you can see the context has been immediately updated with the corresponding video and blogs. And with a single click, the agent takes in all this context into and state management, and it's going to basically plan based on this particular context. And now you can see the prior context has been loaded up quickly here, resulting in an effective planning of the trip. Now I started interacting with this voice agent, and immediately you can see that it's going to pull up the relevant search results from the YouTube for making an effective video of whatever source we have provided. And also along with that, as previously mentioned, it's going to take up the relevant videos based on your option. In this case, if I have given a family trip to a Goa, it's going to take the relevant sources up there, and it's going to rank and take the context from there. And also on top of that, it's going to provide you a daily wise plan as before, and it's going to pull up the must try foods which you can explore in that place. And additionally, it also suggests hotels based on TBO API on that particular days of places which you're going to visit. And also live itinerary is going to update in real time based on the user suggestion, resulting in effective planning of the places that they're going to choose. And also apart from this, they can also modify their dates in planning. Let's say initially I assume with planning on March 15th, but not only I just want for one day, right? I want it for 5 days trip. It immediately updates in real time. So everything happens in real time. The context, your new sessions, everything happens in real time. And also it can suggest live itinerary based on the real time update that it's going to give. So which results in an effective planning of the trips, and which makes customers to have more engagement in planning. And also they can also share their plans to their relatives or their closest friends, like we call that as TBO AI Compass space, in which people can share their spaces between multiple persons, so they can exactly know what they have planned for this particular trip, resulting in effective plan and overall growth of the platform. This is Sainath from Scoops Ahoy. Thank you for the opportunity.